In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to autoplay videos on your Squarespace website. This tutorial is perfect if you want to make your site more dynamic and engaging by having videos start automatically when visitors land on your page. All right, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to go to your Squarespace website editor. If you're already logged in, great. If not, make sure to log into your Squarespace account and navigate to the particular site you want to edit. This is an integral part. It's where all the magic is going to happen. Once you're in the editor, look for the Add Block option. Clicking this will open up a plethora of features and enhancements you can add to your site. For our purposes, we'll be focusing on adding video content. So go ahead and click on Video. This allows you to embed a video block onto your page, which you can then customize as we continue through this process. Now you should see the newly added video block. The next step is to click Edit on this block. This will open up a new window where you can input all the necessary details for your video. It's important to note that this is where you can manage the content that visitors will see, making it a crucial step to personalize your site. After accessing the editing window, the next move is to click on Add a Video. Here, you can either link to an external video, like one hosted on YouTube or Vimeo, or upload a video file directly from your computer. For a seamless experience, I recommend uploading directly if you have the file handy, as this ensures the video is embedded directly into your site. Now let's click on Upload File, which allows you to select video files from your device. After selecting and uploading the desired file, take a moment to ensure everything is loaded properly. There's an essential setting to adjust, which is muting the video. Many web users prefer videos to start silently so they aren't caught off guard by unexpected audio. Click on Mute Video, and this will automatically silence the video upon autoplay. After muting, the key step is to enable autoplay. Just click on Autoplay within the settings. This ensures that your video will start as soon as someone visits your page, creating an interactive and engaging experience. Lastly, don't forget to save all your changes. Hit Save to apply these settings and keep all your hard work intact. It's always a good idea to preview the site to make sure everything is functioning just as you intended. And that's it! By following these steps, you've successfully configured a video to autoplay on your Squarespace website. Remember, videos can significantly enhance user experience by delivering information and keeping visitors engaged. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide was helpful. Stay creative and happy building on Squarespace.